everyone! For today's video, we are going to talk about the differences between weather and climate. A lot of people are getting confused. What is the difference between weather or climate? Is climate the same with weather? Or is weather the same with climate? So for today's video, we are going to know what really is their differences. The differences between weather and climate is because of the measure of time. Yes, it's all about the measure of time. Weather is what conditions of the atmosphere are over a short period of time, while the climate is how the atmosphere behaves over relatively long periods of time. When we talk about climate change, we talk about the changes in long-term average of daily weather. For example, if summer seems hotter lately, then the recent climate may have changed. In various parts of the world, some people have even noticed that springtime comes earlier now than it did 30 years ago. An earlier springtime is indicative of a possible change in the climate. In addition to the long-term climate change, there are shorter-term climate variations. This so-called climate variability can be represented by periodic or intermittent changes related to El Niño, La Niña, volcanic eruptions, or other changes in the Earth system. So now, we are going to talk about the weather. What does weather mean? Weather is basically the way the atmosphere is behaving, mainly with respect to its effects upon life and human activities. The difference between weather and climate is that weather consists of the short-term, minutes to months changes in the atmosphere. Most people think of weather in terms of temperature, humidity, precipitation, cloudiness, brightness, visibility, wind, and atmospheric pressure, as in high and low pressure. In most places, weather can change from minute to minute, hour to hour, day to day, and season to season. Climate, however, is the average of weather over time and space. An easy way to remember the difference is that climate is what you expect, like a very hot summer, and weather is what you get, like a hot day with pop-up thunderstorms. So now we are going to learn about the things that make up our weather. There are really a lot of components to weather. Weather includes sunshine, rain, cloud cover, winds, hail, snow, sleet, freezing rain, flooding, blizzards, ice storms, thunderstorms, steady rains from a cold front or warm front, excessive heat, heat waves, and more. So that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something. Until the next one.